Hello, my beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you a few easy and low-budget rituals and activities you can do in the morning to set yourself up for a wonderful day full of positive energy. You can follow all or some of my suggestions based on your preferences. Wash your face with moon, lavender or rose water to refresh your skin. However, you can do this with regular water. You don't need to feel any pressure owning the things that I mention. Open your windows to let fresh air fill your space. You will immediately feel the difference. If you have the opportunity, take a walk under the sun to connect with nature and ground yourself. Even if you live in a big city, you can just take a stroll at the park near you. Let the air caress your skin and inhale slowly. Make yourself a cup of herbal tea. If you prefer coffee, then choose coffee. Infuse your drink with your intentions as you prepare and as you enjoy it. You can even just have a glass of water to hydrate. The important thing is to do everything with intention. Don't hurry the process. Enjoy the scents, the taste. Give yourself time. Choose the crystal of the day. Listen to your intuition and pick one or more crystals that match your intentions and your mood. You know best what you need. Rose quartz will bring loving energies. A black tourmaline, grounding and protection. Or maybe you feel you need an amethyst for stress relief and empath protection. The choices are endless. Keep your crystal in your space, office, in your pocket, or wear a piece of jewelry made with the stone you want. Cleanse your space. A clear space equals a clear mind. You can declutter, clean your home, and cleanse its energy using sage to purify and remove negative energy or other dried herbs of your choice. You can also use Palo Santo for deep healing. As with everything else, you know what you want to do and how. No one can force you. If you feel you don't want to do something, then just don't do it. Don't let anyone put you in a box or give you orders. If you wish, you can pick your oracle or tarot card of the day. They could help guide you to whatever you're manifesting or when you simply need a little more clarity. Take time to meditate and recharge, even if it is for 5 minutes. You can do this outside, close to a window, or anywhere you feel comfortable. A few deep breaths and try as much as it is possible to empty your mind. If music helps, great. If you prefer a guided meditation, do that. Begin your day by smiling. Smile to other people, Smile to the world, but most importantly, smile and give some love to yourself. Look in your mirror. Smile at the unique creature you have in front of you. You can even repeat in silence or out loud a few positive affirmations. You could complete your morning routine by writing. You can write in your dream journal if you keep one. Dreams are probably one of the best ways to stay in touch with your subconscious. Write the goals of the day or affirmations that will inspire you. These are just a few ways you can start your day feeling calm and ready. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Peace and love, my beautiful souls.